Hey, want to clear out space on your Nintendo Switch? This is helpful if your internal memory is full or you've taken a lot of screenshots and videos you no longer need. I'll show you how to delete them all at once. Let's get started. First, make sure the SD card is properly inserted on your Switch. Then, from the home menu, select System Settings. After that, scroll down to Data Management. Now, on the right side, the Manage Screenshots and Videos. Select it. Now, if your save location is system memory, you should choose system memory from here. If your save location is micro SD card, choose micro SD card from this section. After that, just choose the delete all screenshots option. You'll be prompted with a confirmation, so simply confirm it. And that's it. Your Nintendo Switch screenshots and videos are now deleted, giving you more space for games and updates. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more Switch tips. And comment which game you're going to capture next. And I'll see you in the next video.